More drama tonight in the Eastern Kentucky political race.
A judge has ordered Magoffin County Judge Executive Charles Doc Hardin to vacate the office. The Democrat won re-election by 28 votes over Republican challenger John Montgomery in the 2014 general election, but a judge has ordered the results of that election to be thrown out because of possible vote buying and violations of election rules. In a 55-page judgment issued Friday, Circuit Judge John David Preston declared the Magoffin County Judge Executive seat vacant and tossed the results of the most recent election for the office. Court documents show testimony suggesting election violations and vote buying, including one instance of a man who normally has no money being asked where he got a $50 bill and replying, quote, "It is election day." One election consultant who testified during the proceedings said Magoffin County had an unusually high number of absentee ballots in the 2014 general election, more than double, in fact, of any other county in eastern Kentucky. The consultant testified, quote, "There was something going on to generate the large absentee voter turnout. He believed that there was some impropriety involved, as there could not be a legitimate explanation for this voting."
I am glad to see the first steps have been taken to clean this up.
John Montgomery hopes the ruling leads to the reversal of his narrow loss to incumbent Doc Hardin.
It's gotten Doc Hardin out of the office, for one thing, and I believe it'll show that the people have spoken and they will not tolerate this anymore.
There was no finding of wrongdoing by either candidate in Judge Preston's ruling. When reached for comment today, Hardin referred us to his attorney. We left several messages with his attorney but did not hear back. However, Hardin did give us this statement, quote, "I am disappointed in the decision and am looking at my legal options." Hardin is allowed to appeal the case. Under Kentucky law, whenever the office of Judge Executive is vacant, the governor must appoint someone to fill the vacancy. Now, if you want to read the full ruling, you can check WYMT.com later tonight.